Hello and welcome to this YouTube short on how to insert a column into Excel. This is Show Me Tech Tips. If you like this video, remember to click like and subscribe. I've got a little table here. You can find a copy of this file in the comments below. So I've got this name, age and shoe size. I want to insert a column between the name and the age. All I do is highlight by clicking on the letter F. I right click and then click insert and I get a blank column. Now it's possible to get more than one blank column at a time. If I wanted, say, 3 blank columns, I'd highlight 3 rows at the top, right click and then insert. And you can see 3 new columns have appeared. If I want to delete those columns, I can highlight the columns I want to delete, right click and then click delete. If I want to move a column, let's say shoe size I want to put before age, I highlight the column I want to move, right click, cut, and then move to where I want it inserted, right click, insert cut cells, and you can see it moves into the correct position. This has been Show Me Tech Tips. Remember to subscribe. Bye for now.